If you're looking to get into the most in-demand healthcare professions, Ames Education will provide the career training for you. At Ames, our programs are designed to prepare graduates for careers in the medical field.
I chose Ames because of the hands-on experience.
Effective learning environments, small class sizes, up-to-date equipment, modern classrooms and laboratories. That's what I found at Ames.
And the facilities are state-of-the-art.
We provide effective learning environments, which makes the learning experience enjoyable for our students.
This is definitely a great opportunity for you to build a career.
At Ames Education, you'll get the hands-on training you need to start an exciting new career in healthcare.
They have a good amount of clinical training, which is almost 900 hours.
The technology and training equipment are second to none.
Our graduates are thriving in the healthcare field, and so can you.
If you're thinking about going into the medical field at all, I would definitely recommend going to Ames.
I would definitely recommend Ames, as I also came through a recommendation.
I would highly recommend Ames Education.
I recommend Ames to anybody who's willing to go into the medical field.
I wouldn't have gone anywhere else.
Take aim at your future.